Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to make a bank transfer directly from your cell phone. This works with most mobile banking apps, and it's one of the fastest ways to send money without visiting a branch. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your bank's mobile app. Unlock your phone, find your bank's app, and sign in with your username, password, or biometric login. Make sure your phone is connected to the internet. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Inside the app, look for transfers, payments, or send money. Every bank labels it slightly differently, but it's usually right on the main menu. Step 3. Add recipient details. If you're transferring to your own account, select it from the list. If it's to another person, enter their bank account number, full name, and sometimes the bank's code or routing number. Some banks also let you pick a saved contact if you've sent money to them before. Step 4. Enter transfer amount and notes. Type the amount you want to send, choose the currency if needed, and add a short description or reference, like rent payment or invoice 203. This helps both you and the recipient track the transaction later. Step 5. Review and confirm. Before sending, carefully double-check the recipient's account number and the amount. Once confirmed, press send or confirm. Your bank may ask for a one-time code, fingerprint, or face scan to authorize the transfer. Step 6. Save your receipt. Most apps show a confirmation screen with a transaction ID. Take a screenshot or copy the reference number in case you need proof of payment. That's it. You've successfully made a bank transfer from your cell phone without needing a computer or branch visit. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.